Hello everyone, you're with Chandeep Chabra at Goodly, and in this video we're going to talk about the AND function in Excel. Now I can best explain the AND function in Excel through an example. So this was the same example that we discussed in the nested if function, and I'm going to take it further and tweak it a bit to explain how the AND function works. So just take a look at here. We have companies again, we have the market price, we have the purchase price, and we have the market index up or down. And the decision that we have to make is sell or not sell the stock. So you're going to sell the stock if two things stand in your favor. So that means you're making a profit and the market is going down. So if both the things go into your favor, you're going to sell the stock. Otherwise you will not sell the stock. So two things you want to check at the same point of time, and for which we're going to use the AND statement. So when I write the AND statement, so equals to AND, the AND statement allows me to write the logical tests. So logical test 1, logical test 2, logical test 3, and so on and so forth. And I think it allows you to write a couple of them. I think about 254 or 255 logical tests you can write in the AND statement. So in the AND statement, you start writing the logical test. So my first logical test is to check for profitability. So if the market price is more than the purchase price, that's my first logical test. And the second logical test is the market index going down or not? So if this cell equals to DOWN. So these are the two things that I want to write. Now what the AND function is going to give me is either a true or a false. So when I press enter, so actually I can see that although I am making a profit, the market is more than the purchase price, but the market is not going down. So this is going to give me a false, because one condition is true, the other one is false. So when I press enter here, it is going to give me a false. And the AND function is actually only capable of generating the trues and falses. It is not going to do anything further to the true and false. So if you want to take the AND function and do something else, apart from that, you have to combine that with the if statement, right? So we already have the trues and falses. So what I'm going to do is this is the entire condition that I want to test. And if this condition is true, then I want to sell the stock. If it's not, I don't want to sell the stock. So I've already written the AND statement where I have two conditions: to check for the profitability and to check for the market index, separated by 1 comma. And I will just simply wrap around the AND function in an if function. So we'll start writing an if here. So if this is my entire condition, and if this entire condition stands true, what is it that I want to do? I want to sell the stock. So sell. Otherwise, I want to hold the stock, right? Or not sell it, whatever you want to write. So that's about it. And I will drag it down. So I'm selling these stocks. And if you just take a look at these stocks, you are not only making a profit, so this is 278 versus 487, so you're making a profit, but also the market is going down, so you better sell off right now. So this is the AND statement. So if you want to do anything further to the AND statement, apart from getting a true and false, then you can use it inside the if statement, but the AND statement is only capable of generating a true or a false. Right, so that was the AND function in Excel. I hope you liked it. If you want to follow along, you can follow us on Facebook or Twitter, or you can also follow us on the blog goodly.co.in. Stay tuned to more videos, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.